Hello, this is Patrick, and here are some things I learned in Blender today. To create keyframes with the I or K key, the K key seems to give you more options. I went with location and rotation. You can then play it. You can change the number of frames that will be rendered. Create solid color backgrounds. Create outlines of 3D objects. Get rid of shadows. Add a video as reference by going into object mode. Rotoscoping over video reference, render animation as individual layers, using the video editor to take those images and make them a video. Thank you again, and we will see you next time.